Okay, so we have our blank template here. We had the add resource.json files that we're standing inside of. We're standing inside of resources. We can actually be anywhere inside of this JSON file, and all we need to do is to right click. So we right click and we go to insert item, and looking at it here we see that we have resource, we have function, output, parameter, and variables. We have all these different artifacts that we can get help from the extension to author. So we select resource, and of course under resource here's every single resource that you could be creating on Azure, so it's quite a long list. We want to be creating a storage account, so we select that, and as you can see what we are getting is a snippet for our storage account. So all of this is what it added to our resources array, and it's also adding this location and this resource group dot location. I will explain what this one means later, so I'm going to remove this for now and just say something like East US. Let's pretend that the ARM template extension is not even helping us with that, but that everything is a static value. So now we have this, and to be able to deploy this we can actually go to the Azure CLI. Here we have set up this complete command for deploying this resource. And the first thing we see is the resource group variable. The second, and we set that to ARM demo, and the reason we set it to ARM demo is that prior to this we have run this command here in which we create this resource group called ARM demo, so that's why. And that now we are giving this command here a name, so we specify the name parameter, we call it add storage account, call it something useful so you know what you've done, right? And then we refer to this template here in resource group. Sorry, we refer to the resource group by the resource group variable, and here we refer to the template file variable. So these are the two that we need to have additionally to the name one. And this would actually deploy the whole thing.